Hi viewers, welcome to Botany Point. This is our part 2 video about the cell, and today we cover types of cell and structure of prokaryotic cell. Okay, bacteria is about the prokaryotic cell. So let's start the video. So here are the types of cell. So mostly the cell is classified into two groups. First is our prokaryotic cell and second is our eukaryotic cell. Okay, so come first here, prokaryotic cell. So in Greek word, that is pro means primitive. The word karyotic comes from the word karyon, means nucleus. Okay, clear? Okay, so pro means primitive and karyon means nucleus. The word prokaryotic means here the cell contain primitive type of nucleus. Okay, and this definition is the character of the prokaryotic cell. Okay. Then come into its character. First one, they are mostly characterized by absence of nuclear membrane, nucleus and nucleolus, and also most well developed cytoplasmic organelles. So here what I've said, nuclear membrane, nucleus, nucleolus and most well developed cytoplasmic organelles are absent inside the prokaryotic cell. Got it? Then third point is they possesses mainly 70 S types of ribosomes. So later we discuss about the 70 S or kinds of the different kinds of the ribosome in ribosome topic. Okay. So here prokaryotic cell possesses 70 S kind of ribosome, and they have considered the most primitive type of cell, and also they contain unclear material, okay, which are freely distributed in the cytoplasm, that is called as what? Nuclear material. And the example are like DNA, RNA and protein. And this DNA, RNA, proteins are directly contact with protoplasm. Okay, so DNA, RNA and protein, this cytoplasmic material is, nuclear material is mainly directly contact with what? Protoplasm. Clear? Okay. Okay. Now come next point. The chromosome of prokaryotic cell is lack of histone protein. This one is also most important character. Okay. So chromosome of prokaryotic cell are absence or lack of what? Histone protein. So in bacteria, virus, bacteriophage, blue green algae, these are the most example of the prokaryotic cell. So come to the example. What? Bacteria, viruses, rickets, here. Okay, and bacteriophage, blue green algae, these are the example of what? Prokaryotic cell. Only blue green algae. In case of algae, only blue green algae are the prokaryotic cell, and other algae are coming eukaryotic category. Okay, so now next is our second is eukaryotic type cell. Eukaryotic cell. Okay, so here the Greek word, this word is come from the Greek word, that is eu means true or well or good. Okay, and karyon means nucleus. So here the cell having true or good, that means well developed kind of nucleus, and the name defined as one of the most important character. Likewise, the prokaryotic, pro means primitive, nucleus. Primitive in prokaryotic it contains primitive type of nucleus, and here it contains well developed or true kind of nucleus. Clear about this? Okay. Now, what happened in this case? You have to come to the characteristics. Here it possesses well developed kind of structure. Okay, like in case of prokaryotic cell, what happened? There are lack of most of the things, but here all things are absent because these are the well developed cell. Okay, so here what happened? Come to here. So nucleus, nuclear membrane, nucleus. It contains nucleus, nuclear membrane. Okay, and also the cell organelles. Okay, cell organelles all are present. Okay, now the cell organelles, here the cell organelle means the Golgi body, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, plastid, okay, lysosome. So all the cell organelles are well developed and present. Okay, now there come the next character, that in prokaryotic cell it possesses 70 type of ribosome, but here it possesses 80s kind of ribosomes. Remember. Okay, and here the nuclear material like DNA, RNA and protein present, and they are directly contact with what? Karyoplasm. That means these are present in karyoplasm. Okay, karyon means nuclear, that means nucleoplasm. So inside the nucleus, these all the nuclear material are present. Okay, the next come. Okay, one extra thing is here in what happened in case of prokaryotic cell, here histone protein are absent. Okay, but here the chromosome contain histone protein. Okay, and the example of prokaryotes are algae, aspect, blue-green algae. I already told about that. Okay, this is the example of primitive kind of. Okay, so only other algae are found or categorized in eukaryotic cell. Then and all higher plants and animals. Okay, comes under the eukaryotic cell. So this is all about the some summary or just some of the character of the eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. Later I will post out difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So this is this much only here we discuss. And then next, here I have a diagram for your prokaryotic cell. This one the level diagram. Okay, level diagram. Here you can see this one the level diagram of prokaryotic cell. This one is bacterial cell. Okay, example of bacterial cell. So see, the outer layer is there, the cell wall. Okay, then this one is mesosomes. This tail-like structure is flagella. Okay, here the nuclear material is chromosome are there. Okay, here the ribosome, RNA. Okay, so this structure is about level diagram of bacterial cell. Come to its structure of bacterial cell. Ultrastructure means here you can in electron microscope how it observe. Okay, so when we observe in electron microscope, here we found here the long flagella. The outer layer is covered with mucilage. Okay, the outer layer is covered with mucilage. Then quite inner is cell wall. Mostly the outer wall is cell wall, but here mucilage is the outer covering for the protection of the cell wall. Remember this one. Okay, here fimbriae are there. Fimbriae, this one the fimbriae. Then respiratory enzymes are present here. Okay, this one is our nucleotide or the DNA. Then here the mesosomes also there. This one is C. This one is mesosome. Here fat globules are surrounding the protoplasm of the bacterial cell. Then polyribosome. Poly means many. Okay, ribosomes are present in mostly in since ribosome are present in long chain type of structure. So that's why it's called as polyribosome. Poly means many ribosome. Okay, this structure polyribosome. Glycogen also are there. This one the gas vacuum. This one the thylakoid. Okay, and some protein particles and enzyme also found inside the protoplasm of bacterial cell. So this is all about types of cells and structure of prokaryotic cell. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe the Botany Point, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the regular updates. Thank you so much.